Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from billyparisi.com, and I'm getting to make an amazing meal that is perfect no matter what time of day it is, and it's called shakshuka. As I stated before, shakshuka can be eaten no matter what time of day it is or no matter what course you want to serve it as. But for me, when I see eggs in there, I immediately think breakfast. So every time that I've ever created shakshuka, I've really only served it for breakfast. But please feel free to hook this up no matter what time of day it is. When doing some research to find out a little bit more about shakshuka, Mediterranean cuisine and Israeli cuisine keeps popping up. That is definitely a dish that is really popular in that region. But if you dig a little bit further, you find out that it's actually from North Africa. Some Tunisian Jews that live there created it. It actually means shaken, and through the translation, and they sort of brought it up to that area in Israel and the Mediterranean, and it's literally a staple dish there. It's incredibly easy to make. You're gonna absolutely love it. So let's not wait any longer and let's get to it. And of course, shakshuka, how awesome is that name? I mean, it's just awesome. So now we need to slice up a yellow onion. So go ahead and cut the ends off the onion, slice it in half, and then just simply peel off the outer shell. And now to small dice it, simply slice into the onion going all the way up, slice down on the onion, turn the onion 90 degrees and slice down again for a perfect small dice. We're gonna set that to the side in a bowl. And now for red bell pepper, you really just wanna seed it. So what I do is slice the outsides of the red bell pepper, and the pith and the seeds, just discard it. Just like the onion, you wanna thinly slice it, or a julienne. Turn it 90 degrees. Slice it again, boom, beautiful small dice, set that to the side in a bowl. And now for some garlic, just slice the end off of it. Using the side of your knife, just give it a little tap, it'll smush it down a little bit. Just makes it easier to dice. And then from there, finely mince it, chop it up as fine as you can, put it in a bowl. Now take that, the onions and red bell pepper, go over to a gigantic, large cast iron skillet over on the cooktop, or if you want to use a rondeau, this will totally work in there as well. Add some olive oil to that cast iron skillet. And at this point, over medium heat, we're gonna add in some yellow onions, some red bell peppers, the garlic. We're gonna give it a stir. What we wanna do is sort of lightly saute this, get a nice little brown on it. This is great timing because we have one more thing to prep up. I've got some whole peeled canned tomatoes. Now for this recipe, you can absolutely use fresh tomatoes when they're in season. It's winter still, they're not awesome yet, so just wait a few more months. Or you can use canned dice. I've got whole peeled. And a little trick I learned back in culinary school that kind of changed the texture and the taste a little bit. Roll up your sleeves, stick those hands right into a bowl of whole peeled tomatoes and squeeze them just so they're completely smashed, mushed. Like I said, the texture changes a little bit. It sort of makes the liquid a little bit more thick. I just really like the consistency of it, and I think when it sears up and sautés up, it changes a little bit too, but it's awesome. Once that's done, wash your hands, go back to the bowl, head over to the cooktop where those sautéed vegetables are. Let's give it a quick stir, check them out. You can see they got a nice little brown on them. This is perfect timing. Let's add the tomatoes back into that cast iron skillet. Now what we want to do is add in some seasonings. We've got a little bit of cumin, some paprika. We're gonna sprinkle in some sugar just for a little sweetness. Of course, we're gonna season it with sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper. Let's give it a stir. Let's let it simmer over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Now at this point, we simply need to cook the eggs. And what you wanna do is sort of drop some eggs in all over the top of that beautiful tomato sauce mixture. Try not to overcrowd it or else it's gonna be all white and yolks. You don't wanna do that. You wanna see some of that delicious red sauce around the outside. So I've got a 14-inch skillet. It can take 6 to 8 eggs. That'll be plenty for who I'm serving up. And if you don't have a lid or a top to this huge skillet, or even what you're using, a quick little trick, an old culinary trick, throw a sheet pan right over the top. We're gonna simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes or until the internal desired temperature is achieved, whether that's over easy, over medium, whatever it is that you like. Boom, it's finished. A very easy traditional way to finish off this shakshuka recipe is by sprinkling on some finely minced parsley. You can add some cheese or some other things, but you know me, I like to keep it classic and simple and traditional. This is the most perfect way to create this recipe. This is so easy and such an awesome recipe to serve up to your friends, to your family, to your guests. I mean, think if you're going to a breakfast or brunch get together, You should definitely make this shakshuka recipe. It will for sure stand out. It's amazing when served up with some fresh homemade bread. You know, of course, I made homemade bread for this, and I have a really awesome recipe. Just look in the corner of this video, click that little link, and it'll take you right over there. Well, guys, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. Come back next week and see what else I make. We'll see you later.